Welcome back. Today we will talk and discuss about code coverage analysis through Golang code. So in Go, actually, it is very straightforward tool. Actually, it will help us to find which part of the code is covered through test cases and which part is not. So to do this, and Go actually has a built-in uh, code coverage tool which actually you can install using go get followed by the path which I mentioned here. So basically we learned about go test earlier. So here we learn go tool cover. This is the new tool actually. We will use it to get the code coverage as part of this tool. So to run the test followed by the code coverage, we can use the command go test hyphen coverage and followed by the code path. Okay. And also we can analyze the coverage report after running the tests, and we see like which percentage of code is covered and which is not. And also we can see the report actually detailed code, which code is actually covered, which is not. Basically the lines and logic also we can try to see that. Okay. And also we'll see the two kind of commands which are important, how we can convert the coverage profile into the file, and how we can convert that into the HTML format to get the data. Okay, let us see through the code which we wrote already. Some code we already written, right? One function is like a calculate Fibonacci. We wrote for benchmarking test case for this. We'll see like it will not cover as part of this. In the coverage it won't come. And also if you see, right, we have written there are three functions here, and also we have written the respective test cases. This particular test cases and this particular kind of sessions we can see like earlier we have written this. So basically, to as part of this session we'll see the code coverage part. So if you want to see the particular code is working or not, we can see that go test and go test. We can see the cover. So this is the command as we discussed in our PPT. Okay. Basically, I need to pass path also. Okay. So here actually, if you see, this is actually showing that math utility has actually covered 80% of the statements, and other thing is not covered anything. We'll see that with the detail actually after going to the HTML file opening that. Okay. So and also we can see that we can profile this using cover profile equal to coverage is the like a output basically, uh, all the files whatever there in this path. If you observe that this coverage file also created now, if you see this file you can't understand anything. This is actually followed by some format like which file, which line, which is covered, those kind of information, this one. So this you can't understand this now. What we will do is we will try to use go tool, okay, to convert into HTML format which file actually coverage file into coverage.html file. Okay, if you observe that there is a file is created here, what we'll do is we will try to see this file and we'll run this file actually. Okay, this file looks like this now. So it will give all the files. So basically the benchmark.go is saying nothing is covered here. I will tell you why that is. And if you see this particular math util, actually we had test cases for add, divide with only error case, and multiply with other cases. Because of that it will show the all the coverage in the covered green color, non-covered is red color. We'll try to cover this uncovered test cases also now. Okay. So what I will try to do now is I will try to write a test case for divide result is this, and also I will try to cover one more test case here. Basically, this is not required for us. If result is not equal to 3, right? Expected result is expected 3, but got some result. Okay. So this is the one thing actually. With this, actually, it will cover everything in that file. Let me run this. If you observe, right, it was 80%, now it is 100%. Let us see that also now. And let me refresh this. Oops. Oops. Let me refresh this file. See, this is not covered earlier, right? Now if you observe that this is covered now. So we'll try to cover this file also now. Let me write one more test case for that. Now I will go to this one. I will try to, this is actually benchmarking test cases, right? I will try to cover normal test cases for this, like func test basically calculate benchmark Fibonacci testing dot t, right? So what I will try to do is now I will try to calculate Fibonacci. For example, Fibonacci for 3. Okay, Fibonacci for 3 will be, okay, what value will get? 1 1 2 1 1 2. I think it should be 2. If result is not equal to 3, I think 3 plus 2 5. You can try to print the error here. Okay, received. Okay, so let us run this test case. We'll see what happens. All right, received 2. Okay, received 2, right? So this is the basically third one, right? So 1 1 2. This is the third element basically. That's why it is receiving 2. So if this is not equal to 2, then we'll try to fail the test case. Expected but received something else. Okay, then it will fail. Okay, this is actually this one uh, for the Fibonacci thing. Now let us see the coverage here. Okay, so if you observe this, now it is actually 75% is uh, covered. So it is not covered now. Let us see now by refreshing this. Oops, I need to link also that one with this file. Now if I observe this, actually this is covered actually, right? And some is not covered now. We'll try to cover that also as part of the test case now. So now what I can do is I can try to see the func test sum of t star testing dot t. Okay, a result of result equal to sum of 10 comma 20 comma 30, right? If result is not equal to 60, then t dot error if expected equal to 60 but got of result. Okay, so now if we run this and see, I think it should cover everything now. If you observe, both the files has a 100% coverage, and also you can observe that here also this is not covered earlier and now it will be covered. That's it, both are 100%. So this is how actually we can try to understand the uncovered code, and we'll try to cover the all the test cases as part of this. Okay, okay, that is about the code coverage.